Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this silicone bread sling. Now, this is the bread sling right here, and first off, you'll probably notice here that it is made with this nice high quality silicone. You can kind of see through it there, but it is really nice high quality. It really has a good kind of texture to it, which I really like a lot. The best thing about silicone though is that it is very easy to clean, so you can easily just go ahead and wash this up after you're done using it, which is awesome. And one thing I wanted to show you here is in the middle, you'll notice there's actually measurements on this, specifically designed for making maybe sourdough bread and different kind of breads like that. You can see we've got 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches, and 3 inches, and those are kind of in coordination with the ring that they're set on. And then down here, we've got the centimeter equivalents here to measure that way if you need to. But overall, I really like these bread slings a lot. They can be used in a Dutch oven, like I said, typically used with like sourdough bread and things like that. And there's actually 2 of them here in this set, which is great. And I did want to show you, it came wrapped in this kind of plastic paper here, which is really nice that they did come kind of sealed like that and they weren't just loose in the cardboard box. Overall, if you're looking for a great bread sling and looking for one that's really easy to keep clean because they're made of silicone, I would highly recommend these. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.